Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Excel budget. First, open a new Excel workbook to begin your financial planning. You'll want to create clear columns for your income, expenses, and specific categories. Label your rows for each individual income source and expense item. This structured approach, using clear headings, will make your budget easy to navigate and understand, helping you track your money effectively from day one. Now, let's input your income and fixed expenses. Begin by entering all your monthly income sources, such as your salary or any other regular earnings. Next, list out all your recurring fixed expenses. These typically include items like your rent or mortgage payments, car loans, and insurance premiums. Accuracy here is key, as these consistent figures form the bedrock of your budget, providing a stable financial overview each month. Moving on to variable expenses, it's crucial to categorize them effectively. Think about areas like groceries, dining out, utilities, and entertainment. For each category, allocate a realistic amount you plan to spend. This step helps you understand where your flexible spending goes. By tracking your actual spending against these allocated amounts, you gain valuable insights, allowing you to adjust and optimize your budget over time. Finally, let's incorporate formulas for powerful analysis. Use the SUM function to total your income and expenses. Then, calculate the difference between your total income and total expenses to see your net financial position. Consider using conditional formatting to highlight overspending or savings visually. Review your budget at least once a month to make necessary adjustments, ensuring it remains a dynamic and effective tool for your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.